Your IP address is a fundamental component of your internet connection, serving as a unique identifier for your device within a network. Whether you're troubleshooting network issues, setting up a new device, or just curious about your online identity, finding your IP address is a straightforward process. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to find your IP address on different operating systems. Finding your IP address on Windows. Open the command prompt. Press WinER to open the Run dialog. Type Cmd and press Enter. Type the following command: bash. Copy code: ipconfig. Find your IP address. Look for the IPv4 address under the network adapter you're using, such as Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Finding your IP address on Mac. Open Terminal. Navigate to Applications and Utilities or use Spotlight, Cmd Space, and then type Terminal. Type the following command: bash. Copy code: ipconfig inet. Find your IP address. Look for the IP address next to inet under the network adapter you're using. Finding your IP address on Linux. Open a terminal. Use Curl HET to open a terminal. Type the following command: bash. Copy code: ipconfig. Find your IP address. Look for the IP address next to inet under the network adapter you're using. Finding your IP address on mobile devices. On Android, go to Settings. Select Network Internet or similar. Tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on the connected network. Find the IP address under the network details. On iOS, go to Settings. Tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on the connected Wi-Fi network. Find the IP address under the network details. Conclusion: knowing how to find your IP address is a useful skill that can come in handy in various situations. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply troubleshooting connectivity issues, these step-by-step instructions for Windows, Mac, Linux, and mobile devices should help you locate your IP address with ease. Understanding your IP address is a small yet essential step in navigating the intricacies of the digital world.